Hey everyone, this is the LG top load washer. You have about 5.3 capacity in this unit, so a very large top load washer that they have to offer. As you can see, we have a traditional, kind of electronic controls with that knob to select. As you move over here to the right side, you can see all the additional features featuring a deep fill option, delayed wash, cold wash, turbo wash, and your extra rinse. Anytime you do have that option to select the normal, you can alter any of these different settings from your temperature, spin, and soil. And there's an additional special care option if you want to add garments. This is going to kind of be that walk down option. And the speed wash, rinse and spin, and you have that extra rinse option as well. Opening up the unit, like I said, you have that large 5.3 capacity, stainless steel interior. You do have that pull-out dispenser through here to add your softener and your detergent. For more information about this LG top load washer and other top load options, please stop by any of the Don's Appliances location to see them for yourself.